Hello guys, this is Alan from Mandarin Fireworks in China. I'm broadcasting on top roof of our office building. Today I'm going to introduce our 90 seconds color smoke grenades. There are 8 colors all sit here. The size of the color smoke is 130 millimeters long and 38 millimeters big. The 8 colors is red, green, yellow, blue, pink, black and white. But our strength is we can customize the new colors. For example, when we make a new blue color, we can name it Mandarin Blue, and you can put your company name after the new color too. Now I will show you how to display the color smoke. We can see the ignition device here. The instructions tells us pull the ring sideways instead of pull it up. But the instructions does not tell why. Now let's explain. Please take a close look at the ignition device. We can see the wire goes through the wall of the product and connect the green fuse. If we pull the ring up, the wire may break the ignition device and fail the ignition. So that's why we have to pull the ring sideways. Let's take a close look at the ignition device here. This is the military level ignition device. The ignition rate can up to 100% if used properly. We can see that the wire goes through a plastic tube and the primer inside. At the end of the wire is the spring. When we pull the ring, the spring scratches the primer inside and produces the flames, which will ignite the green fuse here that make the color smoke works. Another strength of our color smokes is that the color pellets is made by hydraulic press, which guarantees the smoke performance smoothly, consistently, and reliable. Would you like to see the colors? Let's rock and roll.